Today I will show you how to add your LinkedIn leads to Google Sheets automatically and how the same lead can be created as a contact in Zoho CRM automatically. So assume that I'm running some company, and in order to generate the leads for this company, I'm running ads on LinkedIn, for which I have also created this LinkedIn lead generation form. And whenever someone will submit this form, I will show you how to automatically collect those details in Google Sheets and Zoho CRM. But to do that, firstly we will have to integrate these three applications, basically LinkedIn, Google Sheets and Zoho CRM application, which I will do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I'm an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I'm already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as add LinkedIn leads to Google Sheets and Zoho CRM. Now I will select the folder in which I want to create my automation workflow. So I have selected this main workflows folder. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are actually called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. In this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever a new lead is generated via LinkedIn lead generation forms, then automatically collect the very same lead details in Google Sheets application. So that is why I am selecting the same as an action application, and further I want to create a contact using the same lead information in Zoho CRM application. So that is why I am adding one more action step and selecting the same application, that is Zoho CRM. Okay, so in this way you can add as many as steps as you want and automate your lead generation process, automate your lead management process. Okay, so the idea here is I will connect these 3 applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us first connect a LinkedIn lead generation form with the Pabbly Connect. So firstly I will select the trigger event, that is new lead generation form response. Yes, I want to perform the same, that whenever a new lead generation form response is received here, this automation should trigger. So I have selected the same, clicking on connect, clicking on add new connection, clicking on this button, and then you will have to provide the access of your LinkedIn account. Well, I have provided my access multiple times, so I am going to reuse the existing connection, and you can also reuse the existing connection if you have provided the access already in the first time. Okay, so here you can notice it is connected, and because we are connected, whatever the accounts are available inside my LinkedIn account have started visible here. So I will select this Naveen Kole account. Let me show you the same. Okay, and now as soon as you select the account, whatever the lead generation form are already available inside my account have started visible here. Okay, so you can find all the lead generation forms are here, and I am going to select the sample lead generation form. So let me show you the same, that is sample lead generation form. Now you must be thinking why I am selecting specifically this form only. Okay, so this is my form, and this form is associated on this particular page. Okay, so if I will edit it, okay, so this is basically an advertise section where you will find a campaign group with the name Pabbly Connect, and under this campaign group name you will also find the campaign with the name lead generation, and here I will edit my ad. Okay, you can notice these are not into the live mode, these are actually into the draft mode, and this is my ad. First of all I am going to edit this advertisement in front of you, and then I will show you what particular form is actually associated with this ad. Okay, so if I will scroll down, you will find the same sample lead generation form is selected here. Okay, so that is why I'm selecting the same form, clicking on OK. Now I will come back to the dashboard of of Pabbly Connect, and firstly I'll click on this button, okay, and as soon as I click on this button, you will notice that a blank response will be initiated because there is no lead available inside this form, okay. So in front of you I am going to submit this form, okay. So this is my form where I have already provided the email address, basically a dummy email address, something like demoUser@pabblytools.com, a dummy phone number as 96666, and here you can notice first name, last name and company name is already added. Now from where it is picking up these default values? Well, it is picking up the value from my LinkedIn account only, because I'm not running any live advertisement. It is picking up the values from my account only, okay. So this is my ad. How about I view the profile first and then I will edit my profile in front of you, and then you will see the same details as the first name and the last name, okay. So basically it is fetching up these details only, okay. So don't worry about that. In your case you can easily work into the live data, into the real data, but here my objective is just to show you how connections can be made, so there is no problem proceeding with this dummy data, okay. So clicking on the submit button, and as soon as the submission is successful, here I will click on this button once again, and you will notice the same details, the same lead data will be received here as a response, okay. So let me show you the details one by one. Here firstly you can notice the same form name, that is sample lead generation form. Here we have the same dummy email address, here we also have the same dummy phone number, and now I'll show you those default first name, and we also have the last name as subscription billing management service, and we also have the company name as Magnet Brains, okay. So the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between LinkedIn lead generation form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine, okay. So now onwards what will happen? Every time someone will submit your LinkedIn lead generation form, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect in every 10 minutes, because this trigger will check for the new data in 10 minutes. Basically the trigger here is the polling based, which will check for the new data, which will capture the new data in 10 minutes. But don't worry, your data will be captured for sure, but it will at least take 10 minutes, okay. So in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I'm going to collect the same lead data in Google Sheets. So the application is already selected, selecting the action event as add a new row. Now clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, and then if you are connecting your Google Sheets with the Pabbly Connect for the first time, you'll have to click on the sign in with Google and provide the access of your account in which you have created your spreadsheet, okay. But because I have already provided this access multiple times, so I will again use the existing connection, clicking on save, and in this way my Google Sheets account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. And as soon as it is connected, you will notice whatever the spreadsheets are available inside my Google account have started visible here in the drop down, okay. And I will select this specific spreadsheet. So the name is leads via LinkedIn lead form. Well, it has got selected automatically. In fact, the same sheet is also selected automatically because here we have a single sheet only, okay. And as soon as this selection is done, whatever the columns you have added inside your spreadsheet, the same column name will be fetched up here as the field. So we have here first name, last name, email, phone, company. Let me show you the same first name, last name, email, phone and company, okay. And now from where I will provide these details? Remember, we have already captured the lead data as a response of our trigger step, okay. And the interesting thing here is I'm not going to manually copy these details and paste below again and again for every new lead, okay. I'm going to map these details, okay. And mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data, the same data here in the drop down. Now search for the data. Remember, we have the first name as Pabbly, so I have mapped it successfully. Now it is asking for the last name, so let me search for the same, and we had the last name as subscription billing management service. And again, these are just dummy details, asking for the email address, searching for the same, and I have mapped it successfully. You must be thinking, what is the importance of mapping? Okay, so whatever the details I will map here from the drop down, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time in next time. I'm repeating this thing once again, that these details will be replaced automatically. But just in case if I will provide any detail manually manually here, what will happen? This data will remain same for every new lead. So that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation, and in this way this automation will take place, and this is the difference in providing the values via mapping and via manually. Okay, so in this way I have provided the details. How about I click on this button, save and send test request, and you will notice firstly a response will be received, and here you can notice this response is positive and the data is also collected here. Let me first correct the formatting so that I can show you this data very clearly. Alright, so you can clearly notice that it is the same data. We have the first name as Pabbly only, the last name as subscription billing management service only, the email as demo@pabblytools.com, the same phone number and the same company. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is also working absolutely fine. Okay, so in this way the second step of our automation is also done. Now moving further, I'm going to create a contact in Zoho CRM using the same lead information. So the application is already selected. Now I will select the action event, clicking on connect, clicking on add new connection, clicking on this button, and then it is asking for the domain. So we have the domain as zoho.in. so give me a second, let me provide the same. Now I will click on the save button, and in this way Zoho CRM account will be connected. Well, firstly it is asking for the permission, so I have provided the same because I am already logged in, so it is asking for the permission, not for the access. Okay, authorization is successful and my Zoho CRM account is also connected. Now it is asking for various details which are actually required for creating a contact in any CRM. Okay, but I will provide the data only into the required or into the important fields because I have collected the basic information only from my lead generation form. Okay, so let me provide the first name, and again I am going to map the data from my previous step data only, basically from this drop down, and again these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time in next time. Okay, asking for the email address, well let me search for the same and I have mapped it successfully. Asking for the department, well remember I have not collected such data. Asking for the phone number, yes I do have this phone number, so I have mapped it, and in the same way I'm going to map other details also. Okay, and let us check whether it has any company name field or not. If I will find that field, I will map the same. Well, I think there is no such field, so how about I click on this button, save and send test request. But before that, let me show you my Zoho CRM account, no contacts found. Okay, and now once again I will click on this button in front of you, and you will notice a positive response will be received. Here you can notice it is saying success. Going back to my Zoho CRM dashboard and refreshing it and waiting for the contact to be created. Alright, fingers crossed. And here you can notice the same person has been created as a contact in our Zoho CRM. Okay, so the first name was Pabbly, the second name was subscription billing management service. Here we have the same dummy email address, that is demo@pabblytools.com 96666. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect is also working absolutely fine, and in this way the third step of our automation is also done, and in this way our automation is also ready. Okay, and in order to automate this whole process, you need to create this automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, so now onwards, every time a new lead is generated via LinkedIn lead generation form, the same data will be collected automatically to Google Sheets, and the same person will be created as a contact here. Okay, just in case if you want to access this 3-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link and sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com, My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.